When I first started my YouTube channel, I thought I am going to do so many hair tutorials after I saw like how my double chin shows so much on camera. And when I try to do hair videos, I was like, oh no, this is not happening. Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys one of the ways I like to curl my hair. It's with this guy right here. I think I've done this video before, but it's been a while and I have some new followers, so hello. This is how I usually like to curl my hair. Somebody asked me to do this, so I'm doing this. So Vapid Zombina, this is for you. Also, this is my first time wearing makeup ever since dyeing my hair with henna. Okay, I'm starting to like it more now, but there is like a green ring between my natural hair and this because the color I had right before this was green, and I'm trying to fix it. I'm going to go over this with henna again. I just don't want to use any permanent dyes or demi-permanent dyes. What was I trying to say? Oh yeah, products that I use before curling my hair. I always use a heat protectant. This is my favorite one. This is not the bottle that it comes in. This is just what I put it in because the bottle that this actually comes in is very difficult to use. I will post a picture right here. I believe it's from Bedhead. It smells amazing and it works really well in my opinion. And of course I have to use dry shampoo because my hair has like no volume without it. This is my favorite right now. It's the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Tapioca Dry Shampoo. This one is the Warm Sugar fragrance. I've already sprayed those into my hair. I had the dry shampoo sitting in my head for about 5 minutes. I think I might need a little bit more. This bottle is really low, so it might not be working as well as it should. The first thing I do is brush out my hair, always starting from the bottom and then working your way to the top. I forget what I was watching. I think it was something on TikTok, and this guy was asking about how he's supposed to be doing his daughter's hair. And he was like starting from the top and brushing down, and he kept on having to like stop halfway because he's pulling all the knots down to the center of her hair, and I was like, no! Now I'm going to section my hair. I usually do my hair in 3 to 4 sections. I take the top section, this little crown area, and I'm just going to roll this into a little bun and clip it out of the way. Same thing with the next 2 sections. For the next one, I usually go from right where my brows end. That's how I measure it. When I first started my YouTube channel, I thought I am going to do so many hair tutorials. Especially because around the time that I started, braids were really big. Everybody wanted to know how to French braid, how to Dutch braid, how to do all of that. And after I saw like how my double chin shows so much on camera, and when I try to do hair videos, I was like, oh no, this is not happening. Hair tutorials are something I usually don't do. This is my absolute favorite curling wand. The word just escaped me for a second. It's blank. It's from Remington. This is the short version. There's a longer version of this as well. I think it goes from 1.5 inches to 1 inch. I will link it down below for you guys. Extremely simple. Nothing too complicated here. I just lay it flat. Like I was trying to say, I got distracted. But I just lay it flat against the, what you call it? I lay my hair flat against the curling one, so it comes up looking like so, kind of like Shirley Temple curls, if you will. And what I like to do is pick it up, roll it back into itself, and then grab a clip, whatever you have. There's a little butterfly clip that I have, and just clip it up. My hair doesn't hold curl very well, so doing this helps it stay in place because it's holding that shape while it cools. And I usually hold it for 5 to 8 seconds, or if I lose track, I just lightly touch the hair, not the wand directly, but the hair on the wand. And if it feels hot to the touch, pull it right off. And when I clip it up, it's not perfect, and then I just do the exact same thing on the other side. Also, if you're a beginner, I highly suggest wearing a glove to protect your fingers. I'm curious, does anybody else have one side of hair that's thicker than the other side? Like, my whole right side of my head has a lot more hair than the left side. I don't know why that is, but I always notice when I'm curling it or styling it in any way that this side has a lot more hair. Which is silly because the hairline is also pushed further back on that side. I don't get it. Also, I forgot to mention that I curl all the hair away from my face until I get to the crown area. Then I switch it up a little bit. So after curling my hair for a while, this is what it looks like. There's just a lot of clips in it. I'm gonna start letting the lower portions down because I need more clips. I only have 3 left. 3 broke while I was doing this. As of now, they look like this. Very curly, but like I said, my hair doesn't hold curl very well, so these are gonna drop. Okay, now moving on to the top section. I split my hair right down the center. Today, I don't know if I'm going to keep a middle part. I think I'm going to side part it a bit. Just slightly, not like a really deep one, so I think that's enough. I twist this and I just place it in between curls to hold its place. Start off by curling my hair towards my face instead of towards the back of my face. I'm doing this so that I have a little bit of extra volume. The only reason I don't do this all the way up my hair is because I get distracted and I forget which way I wrapped the last one. Oh, my arms hurt. Also, when I get to the top, I start taking much thinner sections. And when I get to the front of my face, I always make sure that the last 2 sections at the front of my head are curled away from my face. You know what I mean? This is an arm workout. These are going to be my last 2 sections towards the front, and so they're both going to be twisted away from my face. I took all the clips down and then my camera shut off because I never hit the record button. And I just brushed through with my fingers because when I brush them through with a brush, they get very frizzy and they look really weird. And my last step is taking a little bit of hair oil. This is just some argan oil. Take a couple of pumps and just lightly run it through the ends of my hair to add some shine back, add some moisture back in, and it helps my hair settle so it looks less poodly. And I just play with it a bit until it looks the way I want. Once it settles more, it looks even better because it's not as tight around the face, but I do like this look as well. I tend to flip my hair around a lot. That's why middle parts are so hard for me to keep because I'm always moving my hair. It just never stays very long. This is one of the ways that I get my curls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And I love talking to you guys, so leave a comment down below. I reply to everybody as much as I can. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And that's the end. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.